262 less than last year. So that's a big number, you know. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Just wanted to take a moment today to talk about something I built for myself, and you should probably think about building too. It's a little off-grid solar system I'm calling the Solar Roller. Basically, it's 400 watts of solar panels with 3 lead-acid batteries and a solar controller. I also put in a little CD player, some speakers, got USB right here, 12-volt power outlet if you want to charge anything, little meter right here. I'm going to take you around, show you a few things, just talk about what I learned, but currently, I'm saving several $100s a month just from doing all my charging here as opposed to inside, and running all my fans from here, and show a few things that I put together, and who knows, maybe it'd work out for you too. All right, let's check it out. All right, first let's do a walk around here, show you the batteries. You can see got a couple 12-volt batteries here, all wired in, and a 1500 watt voltage inverter here. Batteries I got from Walmart. They're about 120 bucks. They're a deep cycle marine grade battery. And then, I have the inverter just going off over here as an extension cord. And I have actually a small hole in the wall where it goes into my studio right there. I'll show you in a minute. But let's check this out here. I'm gonna unplug this for a minute. And you can see it's going through the output and the voltage. I'm gonna turn this off for a second and move this over so we can check out the controller. All right, it's kind of hard to see, but I hope you can see. What does it say right there? Looks like about 11.3 amps coming in from the sun. You can also see, put a fuse box here, very small voltage inverter. That one sucks, it doesn't really do anything, I'll be honest. And then the solar controller here, and all the wires for the radio. But yeah, this thing has really been saving me some good money. Just needed to kind of put it out there for everyone to maybe consider a little backup system like this. And you can start saving money, you can be off the grid, and kind of hold the middle finger up to the power company too. One more thing I forgot to show you guys was, I set up some switches right there. So that is how you turn on the radio. I'll show you what goes on here. All right, so those are all on. And come around here. Oh, one more thing, if you're wondering why it's on a old lawnmower, it's a great question. So I had a broken lawnmower. Lawnmower has wheels. Figured, hey, why not build a little platform onto the wheels? I can move around the yard, yeah? So that's why that is. there, and this is on a handy cart, so you can kind of aim it at the sun in the morning. But it definitely helps a couple amps if you aim it at the sun. A little different in the morning. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a few things with this PG&E bill. Maybe help you start looking at your PG&E bill a little different and start saving some money. So basically, here's the last month, and you can see I'm using about $1.46 a day, using $1.24 here, and you can see it's relatively low most of the time. Here you can see this big spike. This is the day I turned the AC on. It was just really hot out, but for the most part you can see them keeping these costs down. What I really want to show you is this. It says spent so far $67. See your projected bill. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. Since adding the solar, basically, and keeping the AC down as much as possible, charging all my stuff on the solar systems, I'll show you in the video, or have already showed you. Basically, this is your projected bill is 88, 262 less than last year. So that's a big number, and my whole system cost about $1,000, and that means that in 3 or 4 months of summertime, a small solar system like this can pay for itself. When you do another type of solar system, $20,000-$30,000, its payback period's more like 7 to 10 years, and you say payback period here is more like 4 months when you do it yourself. Anyway, I just want to show you this. Appreciate you listening, and hope you guys have a great day, and keep you posted with what happens next with these bills. Alright, later.